Hey everybody, so we have a little utility kind of accessory haul I picked up from Walmart. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so I picked up a bunch of these Hyper Tough rails. I picked up 4 Hyper Tough rails, which are these utility snap rails. I think I picked the one up that fell. I picked up 4 of those. Move the bags over real quick. We'll open the bags in a second. Alright. So I picked up 4 of these rails. They're the 46-inch snap rail gray. They only come in gray. I talked about these a while back. They have a bunch of mounting clips with different things you mount straight to them. You can mount brooms, your shovels, weed eaters, all kinds of stuff to them. And I had 2. That's all I had was 2 of these rails and a bunch of the actual clamps. And I've used up all of those clamps other than like 3 or 4 that I didn't need that came in one of the rail kits, because I bought one rail in a kit that came with a bunch of hooks and stuff like that. I haven't used any of those, but all the from the previous videos, all the hooks that I bought manually that did not come in a kit, which was a lot of these guys, I have used. And I picked up a bunch. That's what's all in all these bags, is a bunch of these clips. So there's 4 rails here. They were $5.89 a piece, something like that. See if I can get these to stand up kind of out of my way for the moment. That works. Okay, so they're just standing up right there. And then we're going to pull out all of these out of the bags. There's 3 bags here. I went to 3 different Walmarts, and I guessed when I was with my wife, I'm like, I bet you we're going to have to go to 3 different Walmarts for these. So, and we were right. I was right. And we ended up having to go to 3. So there's 2 of that. I got a bunch of these, what are called mop and broom holders, and what I put in them is, I put a broom in one of them, but the rest of them I'm actually using for my steel combi system, as well as the Milwaukee Quick Lock detachable system. And we also have to do a video on this as well. But I really like these broom and mop attachment items. Move these out of the way. I grabbed a bunch of these because I grabbed every single one of them that each store had. One store had 2, one store had 6, one store had 4, or something like that. I just grabbed all of them. It's like $100. A little over $100. I think it was like $140 is for all of these and the rails and everything else I grabbed. Here's some more of these. I did grab quite a bit, And the reason I grabbed quite a bit was one of those, I really don't want to have to drive to the store when I need them. I do it for this style stuff that you just bolt straight to a piece of wood. I do it for that too. I buy like 15 or 20 of them for, you know, they're $1 or something a piece. And I do it so that way if I do need one, I can just finish my project. I don't have to drive there to do so. Alright, so. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 of these mop and broom quick release holders. I needed 6. Just happened there was another 2 stores had 6 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one right here, I grabbed 2. You could put whatever you want on the top, and then the bottom it shows like in the pictures on the box at the store, it shows this being utilized for like electrical cord stuff like that. There's these 2. I grabbed 2 of them. And then this one I grabbed 3, and this is what we're going to be using. We're going to be using one of these. It's a straight hook to hold. Milwaukee quick lock power head. Let's see if I could use it a little better. More room. There you go. Those 2. And then I also grabbed this. I thought it was neat. It's a multi-hook rack. Holds up to 20 pounds. I'm like, oh, I could use that for like the harnesses and stuff for my lawn equipment. You know, so this is everything that was picked up. I really like this system. It works well. It holds the weight well. I have a gas-powered combi, 131R combi motor, and it's pretty heavy without the attachments on it. And these have had no issues holding them, and I'll do an update video. I didn't buy these rails because I needed them right this minute. I bought these rails because I figured down the road I'm gonna need a couple more of them, and you know, it's just easier to have them in the barn prepared to be mounted than having to drive to a store and then realize, oh crap, it's, you know, 1 o'clock in the morning and I can't go to the store because of COVID. What I needed was these mop and broom ones, and I only needed 6, but I picked up as much as they had, which was 12, so we have 6 extras, which will be fine because when I pick up some more combi motor attachments, I'm going to need them anyways. And I needed 1 of these for the Milwaukee quick lock, and I grabbed 3 because it's what they had. And I grabbed 2 of these because I thought they would be useful. I came up with some ideas. I have some other things that I want to mount to this rail. So I figured, oh, okay, well, I'll just grab a couple of those. And then I figured, oh, I'll give this a try. It's new. This, I'd never seen it before, but it's brand new. It's got 6 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 6 hooks. I mean, if you wanted to, you can mount this in your house on a wall and use it to hold keys or, you know, things that need, you know, scarves, belts, well, you know, whatever you guys want to use it for. It's a good idea. But I figured I'd use it for straps, like all my straps, Milwaukee straps, my combi harness, and my still combi system harness, as well as the straps that I have for that, you know, and a few other things. But I figured I'd show you what I picked up. I'm not going to unbox anything. It's just cutting tags off. I've already done a video of cutting the tags off and showing it. And these rails do come with hardware. I don't remember where it is. I don't use the hardware it comes with. I use 3.5-inch construction screws is what I'm using, and it's going straight into studs. So these rails will be able to hold more weight than they're rated at if you use bigger screws. And I actually screw them into right here on the edge and one on the inside. So I do to here, and I've, you know, usually these will fit on 3 studs. So I do 1, 2 in the middle, and then 2 at the end, and you'll have pretty good connection. It hasn't gone anywhere. But appreciate you guys looking at what I picked up. I will do an update, you know, of what's up there now, you know, and then I'll do another update about these. You know, if I do mount them sooner or later, I'll do another update, show you guys why I like them. It's a great system, and you know, you can get the rails for $580 something a piece, and then all of these, doesn't matter what size it is, it's $580. I think it's like $588. Doesn't matter if it's this or the broom attachments, or you know, this one with the hook, or they have one that holds gas weed eaters. It's kind of rounded. They're all the same price for all attachments. This is $588. You know, these are, they have little round hooks that are like this. They have all kinds, and I can show you what else I have. But they also have it in a rail, and it comes with like 6 or 7 different hooks. I think it comes with like 2 broom attachments, and you know, a couple hooks, and 1 of these rails or 2 of these rails, I don't remember. But we'll always do another video on it if you guys want to see more about this, and you know, me show you guys why I like it so much. Let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, and my DJI Electronics affiliate links. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Smoosh that like button. Smoosh the bell notification button for me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace!